Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start the next lesson number 8, Princess Aubergine. Today we will do the exercise comprehension and vocabulary. Here two activities are given. The first activity is to provide opposite to the given words at page number 39. In one column words are given while in the other column opposites are given. The word beautiful, first word is beautiful, its opposite is ugly. Second word is tall, its opposite is short. Third word is strong, its opposite is weak. Fourth word is tiny, its opposite is huge. Fifth word is delicate, its opposite is hard. Sixth word is jealous, its opposite is admiring. Jealous किसी से हसद करना और इसका opposite words हैं admiring या appreciative. Seventh word is truth or its opposite is falsity. Eighth word is evil, its opposite word is goodness. Ninth word is high, its opposite is low. And 10th word is deep, its opposite is shallow. 11th word is day and its opposite is night. Now next activity is matching the words with the similar meanings. List A has words. In the list B are words, phrases or line that have meanings similar to the words of list A. The first word is farmer. Its matching line is man who lives by working the land. Second word is silk. Its matching line is fine soft thread made by silkworm. Third word is delighted. Its synonym is pleased. Fourth word is pretended and its matching its similar meanings are made herself appear. Tenderly, its synonym is gently. Punish, be made to suffer for wrongdoing. And the last word is tempting. Its similar meanings, word of similar meanings is attractive. Now our next topic is sentences. The types of sentences. Sentences are of two major types which we are going to discuss here are statements and interrogatives. First one is statement. What are the statement sentences? Statements are the sentences that give statement or tell about something. वो जुमले जो हमें कोई बात बताते हैं उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? Statements. And second type is interrogatives. What are interrogatives? वो कौन से जुमले होते हैं जो जिनमें कोई बात पूछी जाए? Interrogatives are the sentence that asks about something. In other words, these ask question. Now here is an activity. The question is change these statements into interrogatives. On page number 40 of your book. Now here is the activity. A part. Change these sentences into question by changing the word order. How do we change these sentences into interrogatives? By changing the position of the given helping verb. She is pleased. तो हम क्या करते हैं जो भी given helping verb होता है we put it at the beginning of the sentence. She is pleased. Is she pleased? The first sentence is she pleased? The second sentence is the teacher is happy. The teacher is happy. Its interrogative is the teacher happy? Is the teacher happy? The third sentence is they have finished. अब given helping verb क्या है? Have. इसको हम कैसे interrogative बनाएंगे? Have they finished? Have they finished? Fourth sentence is his father was there. इसका कैसे होगा? Was his father there? Was his father there? Fifth, they were laughing. They were laughing. Fifth sentence. तो क्या होगा? Were they laughing? Were they laughing? I shall go. इसका interrogative क्या होगा? Sixth sentence. Shall I go. Seventh, he will tell us. He will tell us. इसका क्या होगा? Will he tell us? We must hurry. Must hurry. इसमें भी देखेंगे हेल्पिंग वर्ब बिगिनिंग में आ जाएगा. Must we hurry? We may stop work now. Next sentence is we may stop work now. इसका क्या होगा जी? May we stop work now. यहाँ पे क्या था? We may stop work now. और इसका इंट्रोगेटिव क्या है? May we stop work now. Next sentence is Mr. Rafi ought to wait. Mr. Rafi ought to wait. Its question would be ought Mr. Rafi to wait. Ought Mr. Rafi to wait. Next sentence is she would have waited if we had asked her. This is a conditional sentence. तो आप इसके इंट्रोगेटिव कैसे बनाएंगे? The given verb is would. तो इसको क्या होगा? Would she have waited if we had asked her? Next is your sister can tell us. Number 12, and its interrogative is can your sister tell us? Next exercise is that change the sentences into interrogatives by using do, does or did. The first sentence is your mother knows her. These are the sentences of simple tense, indefinite tense, and how do we change them into interrogatives by using do, does or did. In case of present tense, we use do with all the sentences except the single third person. सिंगल थर्ड पर्सन जो प्रेजेंट है उसके साथ हम डस का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज योर मदर नोज हर. इसका क्वेश्चन क्या होगा? डज योर मदर नो हर. डज योर मदर, क्योंकि ये सिंगल थर्ड पर्सन है, इसके साथ हमने डज इस्तेमाल किया है. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज दे लाइक बीइंग हियर. दे लाइक being here. तो इसका क्वेश्चन क्या है? Do they like being here? Do they like being here? Next third sentence is they wanted to see him. अब ये past indefinite है, इसका हमने क्वेश्चन कैसे बनाना है? Did they want to see him? Did they want to see him? Number 4 sentence is he arrived yesterday. He arrived. Fourth one, he arrived yesterday. Its question is Did he arrive yesterday? Past indefinite था और इसका हमने क्वेश्चन कैसे बनाया? By using did at the beginning of the sentence. The little boy, fifth one, the little boy saw the queen. The little boy, fifth sentence है saw the queen. Its question will be, क्योंकि ये past indefinite है, तो इसको कैसे interrogative बनाएंगे? Did the little boy see the queen? अब जहाँ पे past indefinite है तो second form of the verb will be changed into the first form. Did the little boy see the queen? Now sixth sentence is he made a wooden box. He made a wooden box. तो ये is a past indefinite है, तो how would you change into interrogative sentence? By using did at the beginning. Did he make a wooden box? Did he make a wooden box? Now seventh one is my friend knows the answer. My friend knows the answer. तो क्या है? It is present indefinite. इसको कैसे चेंज करेंगे? Does my friend know the answer? Does my friend know the answer? Now eighth sentence is your father knows that you are here. This is present indefinite. इसमें क्या करेंगे? Does का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. Does your father know that you are here? That you are here. Ninth one, we heard the news yesterday. ये past indefinite है, इसमें हम did का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. Did we hear the news yesterday? Did we hear the news yesterday? He thinks she is wrong. Tense sentence. He thinks she is wrong. Its interrogative is, does he think she is wrong? This is all about your lesson.